Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Hardest Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that auto brightness in your Honor Magic V5 is not working. So, at first I'd recommend to go into settings and display and brightness. Now enable the automatic brightness once again and disable and enable. This quick thing should fix your issue, just restarting a setting. Apart from that, if it still doesn't work, I'd recommend to turn off your phone. Let your phone go to sleep for a moment. Take the microfiber cloth and clean where you do have the camera, like that, but without any force here. This should fix the issue and clean the sensor. This should clean ambient light sensor and we should be good to go. Now let's unlock our phone back again, go here back again and try if it does work. It should, as I said, now. But if it still doesn't, I do recommend to restarting the phone for the sensors, just to refresh the sensors. Scroll from the top right corner to the bottom, tap this power icon, restart, touch to restart. Now our phone will be restarted and this should fix the issue. Let's wait a moment until our phone boots up. Now, as you can see, our phone is booted up, and let's check if this setting does work. Let's go to the settings, display and brightness, and turn on the automatic brightness. As you can see, mine does. What about yours? I've seen every single post that I've seen about the Honor Magic V5 is about displays, ghost touch, and auto brightness not working. So yeah. Now your setting should work, but if it still doesn't, I do recommend to check for software updates in your phone. So go to the settings, scroll all the way down to the system updates, and tap software update. Tap new version, and now as you can see, here we do have the latest version. We have an update on the latest version of Magic OS. Update your phone and the issue should be fixed. But if it isn't, you have to write email to the support, to the owner support, customer support, that your device is broken, or the shop where you have bought it, or just go to the authorized service to fix your phone, because it might be broken. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.